naman natin ngayon is 2 times the quantity 2x squared plus y squared dx minus xy dy. Since mapapansin natin ang katabi ng dx is a very complicated multiplication. So, ito na lang yung dy na lang ang gagamitin natin. So, magiging y is equal to vx and dy is equal to v dx plus x dv. So, substitute na natin tong dalawa sa equation. So, magiging siyang 2 times the quantity 2x squared plus y squared is v squared x squared dx minus x times y is vx times dy which is v dx plus x dv is equal to 0. So, ngayon, papansin natin, may mga common na x squared ay x times x is x squared. So, labas natin yung x squared. So, magiging 2x squared times the quantity 2 plus v squared dx minus ito, simplify natin, magiging x squared v dx plus x dv is equal to 0. So, ngayon, divide na natin both sides by x squared. Makakancel tong dalawa, ito. So, since para sila x squared, so, gawin natin, simplify na lang natin. Distribute na natin tong 2 sa 2 and sa v squared. So, magiging 2 times 2 is 4 plus 2 times v squared is 2v squared dx minus v times v times v is v squared, copy lang natin, dx. So, negative v naman times x dv is negative vx dv is equal to 0. So, para mapapansin natin na parehas may dx itong dalawang variables or dalawang itong dalawang So, magiging 2v squared minus v squared. Ma-minus na to kasi parehas sila dx, may common sila. So, magiging 4. 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 1 na lang siya. So, 1 times v squared is v squared dx minus, copy na lang natin to, vx dv is equal to 0. So, ngayon, ang gagawin na lang natin is separate natin yung variables. So, magiging dx all over x dito, x minus, copy natin tong v dv over 4 plus v squared, 4 plus v squared is equal to 0. So, ngayon, gagawin natin is integrate na natin both sides. Ngayon, erase ko lang to para may space tayo. So, magiging siyang, integration ng dx over x is ln x lang naman. Minus, integration ng v dv plus 4v squared. Ilet yun natin yung 4 plus v squared is equal to du is equal to 0 plus 2v dv. V dv is ito na yan. So, v dv is equal to du over 2. So, magiging integration of du over 2 is equal to 4 plus v squared is u is equal to integration of 0 is c. So, magiging ln x minus, labas natin yung 1/2 dito. So, magiging 1/2 integration of du over u. Palitan lang natin. Integration of du over u is ln u lang naman. ln u. U is 4 plus v squared. So, palitan na rin natin. Magiging ng ln 4 plus v squared is equal to, since parehas may ln dito, gawin na rin natin tong ln, tong c. ln c. So, since may 2 pa dito sa denominator, multiply natin both sides by 2. So, magiging 2 ln x minus ln 4 plus v squared is, v alam natin na ang v is y over x. Bakit? Kanina may sinabstitute tayong y is equal to vx. So, dito siya nanggaling. So, magiging v is equal to y over x. So, y over x squared is y squared x squared is equal to 2 ln c. So, ngayon, simplify natin. Alam natin to na magiging, by logarithm rules, magiging ln x squared minus ln. Simplify natin to, magiging x squared yung denominator. X squared divided by 1 is x squared times 4 is 4x squared plus x squared divided by x squared is 1 times y squared is y squared is equal to ln c squared. So, ngayon is, ang gagawin na lang natin is mag-combine tayo ng mga logarithms. So, magiging na siyang, ito muna, combine natin. So, magigitong ln x squared. Di-divide natin siya sa 4x squared plus y squared over x squared. Pero, para mas madali is multiply na lang natin by the reciprocal of this. So, magiging x squared all over 4x squared plus y squared. Kung matatandaan ninyo, kasi kaya yung ganyan yung ginawa ko is, if ever may ano tayo, may mag-i-divide is, kunwari, a divided by b. Equal lang naman yan sa a times reciprocal ng b is 1 over b. So, mas madali yung multiplication process. Kaya yan yung gagawin natin. Yan yung ginawa ko dyan. Is, hinanap ko yung reciprocal nito para ma-multiply ko sa x squared. So, is equal to ln c squared. So, ngayon, combine natin to. X squared times x squared is ln x raised to 4 all over 4x squared plus y squared. Is equal to ln c squared. Ngayon is, makakancel na yung ln kasi both sides may ln. So, magiging ng x raised to 4 all over 4x squared plus y squared is equal to c squared. Divide natin both sides, multiply natin both sides by 4x squared plus y squared. So, x raised to 4 is equal to c squared times 4x squared plus y squared. So, yan na rin yung final answer natin. Pero, pwede rin ma-erase tong c, yung squared sa c, pero pwede ding meron. So, kahit ano, tama naman siya. Acceptable silang dalawa kasi constant lang naman yung c. So, yan na yung final answer natin. X raised to 4 is equal to c squared times the quantity 4x squared plus y squared.